3 seconds to go. Here's James Yap at the buzzer! Oh! James Yap gets it at the buzzer! It is up to review, but I tell you, you knew it. Yes. You know, it was, they got it. You knew it. It looked like a side step. You know what? It looked like an elegant shot. Yeah. Nothing but net. From way downtown, the man with $1 million also has this in his arsenal. It's called the Cuatro shot from outer space. And, you know, that equally just broke the momentum of Brenner's sign. We're talking about the momentum shift. Watch it once again. James Yap hitting that big 3-point basket as we ended the third.